Well, I'm on my lunch break this afternoon, and I thought I would come on over here and check out these volleyball courts while I have just a little bit of time. Got about a half hour to kill, so let's get started. Well, I don't know if I'm wasting my time or not, but I've done this whole side of the volleyball court, and all I found was a couple things of junk and a nickel. So I'll keep looking. Okay, I got a high number target here, so let's see what it is. Aha. Looks like I found a dime. Nothing old, but it's better than pull tabs. Okay, got another high signal. The sand's all wet. Aha! It was just a penny. Well, I've been finding more change. Just found this quarter. Big money. Well, I've left the volleyball court and I'm going around on the grass again. And I just had a first time discovery here. First time I ever found one of these. And I believe it is a dog whistle. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, a dog whistle. So pretty cool. First time I ever found one of those. Alright, I'll clean it up and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, cool. Well, I had another interesting target, and it looks like I dug up some kind of crazy button. Anyways, it's really weird. Well, I just found this. Not really sure what it is. I just had another target, and it looks like I dug up some kind of old key. Yeah, I'm calling it quits for today. I was only here for a short while, and I gotta get back to work. Okay guys, this is everything that I found today when I went on my little lunch hour hunt. Hit the volleyball courts and surrounding grass around there. Found a lot of pull tabs, a lot of old style ones, new ones. Found a bunch of these rings that go to the nets of the volleyball courts. Found a couple bandage, little things to hold bandages on. Bobby pins. Found this button. It looks plastic, but it has metal in it. Got a couple other buttons. Found a magnet with a hook. Found 2 quarters, 5 dimes, 4 nickels, and 21 pennies. I still got to check them to see the ages. Found 3 old shells, casings, and old key. And probably my best find of today was this old dog whistle. Never found one of those before, so that's a first. Anyways, it was just something to do. I hadn't been out in a few days and was itching, and getting ready to go out and do some stuff this weekend, so I'll make some movies of that. And I'll check these coins. If any of them's old, I'll let you know. Till next time, see you guys later. Good luck. Happy hunting.